have the Woodworkers Club here, huh? Y'all got out of your meeting?
No, we didn't have, well, it's meeting, but we're not here. We're not there, we're here.
Y'all building birdhouses? You want to say a few words? Are you having fun?
Having a lot of fun, yes.
Good. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Is he teaching you something?
Yeah, he's teaching me how to make a birdhouse.
Oh, that's wonderful. All right, Woodworkers Club.
How you doing?
Good to see you. I guess this is your second year, huh? Or second year.
Yes.
Yes.
Definitely so.
We're having fun making the birdhouses.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they're having a lot of fun.
As usual.
A lot of fun.
That's good. All right, guys, introduce yourselves.
Hello, my name is Andy Anderson, and I'm with the Woodworkers Club of Houston.
Well, I'm Steve Tate, and I'm with the Woodworkers Club in Houston.
Tell them your name.
Oh, my name is Steve Driver, and we're at the Build-a-thon. We're helping this little girl build a birdhouse. It's a lot of fun, so everybody try to come out here today if you can.
All righty. Thank y'all for coming.